Hey guys, Adam here from the Solar and Sat. Just got a Ram 1500 in here. Great example with a new canopy on it. Customers requested we put a power system in the Ram box. Let's have a look now. So we've tried to compact this one as much as possible. In this job we've got the 150 amp hour slimline lithium battery. Charging the system we've got a 240 15 amp charger by Victron, a 40 amp DC to DC red arc. Over here we've also got the 1200 volt amp Victron inverter, and to monitor the system we've actually put the Marine Pico in there to give the customer a great overall view of what the system's doing. In this install we've also gone pretty all out there with some custom CNC work. So just up in each window here we've got LED strip lights. So we've got obviously the bright white and we have the amber, 600mm, great for lighting. We'll just take a look what I've done in the back here. So I've done a fair bit of custom CNC work in the back of this one. We'll start with the switch and obviously distribution panel. Customers requested we power up a light here for the back. We've also put some USB sockets and a couple of cigarette sockets here. We've also fabbed up a couple of Anderson plug holders at the back there. That's for the customer's fridge and a few other outputs. So there's one there and one there. And same again, we've just put the LED light up in that window there. Also at the back here, just mounted the Anderson plug right here. That's for portable solar. That will run back through the red arc system via a portable solar panel. All right, so there you have it. One compact and very reliable system just gone into this Ram box here today. If you're interested in a similar system to this one or want something totally different in the way of an off-grid package, come and see us at Solar N Sat Bundaberg and we'll get you sorted.
Just a quick reminder that we are national distributors of all Victron Energy and Chevy solar products. So whether you be an end user or you want to buy wholesale for your own business, make sure you check out our website.